Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we're going to be talking about how to add a new user account or a family account in Windows 10. As you guys can see, I'm sitting in my garage and enjoying this nice weather. So let's get going. So first thing we're going to do, go ahead and click on your start menu and type in settings. And once you see the settings app, go ahead and hit enter. Once you hit enter, then what we're going to look is for accounts. So go ahead and click on accounts, and once you click on accounts, go ahead and click on family and other users. So under family and other users, what we're going to do is click on this icon called add someone else to this PC. And once you click on this Microsoft account will pop up. Now, of course, we don't have that information. So all we just going to say, I don't have the personal sign information. And then it's going to prompt us to the next spot. Okay, so at this spot, we're going to say add a user without a Microsoft account. And once you see that, go ahead and type in the username. So if it's Joe, then we can type in just Joe. If it's John, whatever, just type in their name. If you have a full name or last name, Joe, I don't know, Joe Yan or whatever. If you want to go ahead and enter in a password, you can do that right now. If you don't want to enter a password or leave the password blank, you can also do that. I'm not going to enter a password and go ahead and click next. Once you go and click next, as you see, Joe Yan is added as a user in this account. So that completes our first tutorial. Now, if you want to make this user as an admin account, so as you see, this user is a standard user, so he cannot install software or make any changes to this PC, and you may be perfectly fine with that if this is your child. But let's say if you have another user who wants to log in and make changes to this account. So go ahead and click on that user again, hit the drop down menu and go ahead and click administrator and go ahead and say okay. So now at this point, as you see, administrator local account. So at this point, this user now has full rights to make any changes to this account. So how do you log in? Go ahead and click on start again. Click on this icon, the man looking icon, and go ahead and type in John Yan. Go ahead and click on him. If you had a password, go ahead and enter that now. If not, then it will log in. Now the last step is how do you remove this account? But before I show you that, don't forget to check out any other videos on this channel, guys. How to download Windows 10 USB to a flash drive, how to install Avast antivirus completely free on your Windows 10 8 or 7 machine, and how to enable virtualization on Windows 10. Also, there's also lots and lots of other content on this channel already, so make sure you guys hit and like and subscribe. But let's get back to the content. So if you want to remove this account, go ahead and click on John Yan, and all we're going to do is go ahead and click remove. And at this point, it's going to ask you, okay, it's going to delete all the account data information. Also, all the files will be lost. So if you're sure, go ahead and click delete data. And at this point, you see that account is gone. So that is how you create another user account in Windows 10. Thanks for watching, guys. Make sure you don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Also, if you have any questions, do leave them in the comment section below. I will be answering any questions, comments, or concern. Again, thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye-bye.